Good morning to all my students. Myself Samyuddin Ansari. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 4 book. Today I will start the new chapter. Chapter 13. Balu the Bear One. Balu was a bear cub. He lived with his mother and his sister in a cave in the Himalayas. So Balu was a bear cub. Cub meaning is the young ones of the bear, that is called cub. And he was living with his mothers and sister, where he was living in a cave, and which was in the Himalayas, this cave. Even when he was quite tiny, Balu was always up to some mischief. So when he was very small, he was always doing some bad behavior. Okay, this is the meaning of mischief. Mischief means bad behavior. His mother had to cuff him far more often than she did Chota, his sister. So his mother had to beat him more than his sister. Balu's small back nose was always sniffing. So his nose was always sniffing about in search of food. So Balu's small nose was always sniffing. Sniffing means he was inhaling through the nose, okay, in search of food. It was all in. So Balu's nose was always sniffing. Sniffing, he was inhaling through the nose for food. Balu always sniffing. And his black eyes shone merely even when he was being smacked. So his black eyes was always shining in a happy way, even when he was smacked, even he was beaten hardly. Okay, smack means even a sharp slap he got, he was shining, his eyes was in a very happy mood. When Balu and Chota were very small, their mother used to leave them alone in the big dark cave at night. So when the Balu and the Chota, means when the Balu and his sister was small, his mother used to leave them alone and went in search of food, and he would leave him in the cave at night while she went hunting. So she went for hunting for the food, but when they grew bigger, they used to follow her to the mouth of the cave. So as they were growing, both of them, so they were following their mother to the mouth of the cave and whimper and squeal when she told them to go inside. So they were whimper and they were squeal when they were asked to go inside. Whimper means they were crying softly, okay, and squeal means they were making a loud noise because of pain. We want to come hunting too, squealed little Bhalu, but Mother Bear used to push him back into the safe darkness of the cave. So Bhalu said, we also want to go to hunting, Mother. We also want to join you. So Mother used to push them back in the safe side of the cave and set out in search of for food. So and she set out for food. In the daytime she would often sleep because she was tired after being out all night. So in the daytime her mother was sleeping in the cave as she was going for hunting at night, and she was tired also. But sometimes she would stay awake and tell them stories about the forest and the great world outside. But sometimes she was remaining awake, okay, she would not sleep in morning time, and she would say stories to the Balu and his sister about the forest and the world which is outside. So that's all. So your homework will be, you will do this book work in your book, okay, that's all.